Okay, welcome to the July 2018 Powell Fine Homes Group Market Update. Now, unlike everybody else in the real estate world, I'm not going to sit here and tell you what percentage we're up over last year or last month or anything like that. That's not important. You go to Zillow or Realtor.com, any of those, and they'll give you all that information. If you want, actually, I may even put the percentages down below here in case somebody wants to look it up without having to go to another site. However, what I do want to talk about is the shift that's going on in the market right now. It started out 2 years ago in the high end, like north of 1.25 or 1.5 million. Even in September, October 2016, we were talking to clients about it. It definitely manifested itself after the election, and that market north of 1.25 has been slow ever since then, and the inventory is growing, the months of supply is growing, days on market is growing. So everything north of 1.25 is one set of conversations you're going to have. And if you're a listing north of 1.2, or you have a home that's worth more than 1.2, call Kirsten or myself. We can have an in-depth conversation. It's more detailed than what we can put into a short video like this. So for everybody else under 1.2, if you're under $500,000 right now, you're safe. There's still such a big pool of buyers. They're fighting and they're overbidding and all that nonsense is still going on. However, north of $600,000, buyers are being very, very more discerning. I mean, there's just no two ways about it. They're looking at all the inventory, they're coming in and they're saying, you know what? We'll give them list price, no more than that. Or if it's not perfect, we're going to give them less than list because it's going to cost us this much to do this. This really started hitting hard the last 30 to 60 days. We started seeing it probably around May for the first time, and then it's really, especially this, we just closed a couple deals here in July, one in Woodland Hills and one in Thousand Oaks, where we had multiple offers on both homes, but neither one of them got to the asking price, and it was a fair asking price. We weren't asking, the last comp plus 10% or anything like that. And matter of fact, in one case, we were priced a little bit lower than we could have gone after, and we still didn't get the number we were looking for. So the market's shifting, and what that means is going from a hard seller's market that we've had for the last 3 years. So if you sold your home in the last 3 years, congratulations, you had great timing. And it's going more to an equilibrium to where it's more balanced between the buyers and the sellers. It's not going into a hard buyer's market. We're not losing 30 or 40% like we lost in 2008. However, we are shifting from where we were. You're going to see the inventory grow. You're going to see the days on market grow. You're going to see the months of supply grow. It's part of the normal ebb and flow of the market. Don't panic. Please feel free to call, text, or email Kirsten or myself. We're happy to go in detail with you on this. It's important that you know, but just the sheer numbers that, this month over last month aren't going to give that to you. We wanted to give it to you this way. Any other questions, give us a call, text, or email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.